Hi, I'm John Trishler and I'm with Specialty Performance Parts, and today we're going to replace our Radiance Series rigid fog light kit in our 2019 Raptor with a new configuration. We're going to install our SAEs, we're going to install our infrareds, and we are going to install our side shooter Pro Driving. So let's get to work. All right, so we've got our rigid light fog package installed now, and this is the setup we were talking about here earlier. The side shooter Driving Pro, the infrared pair of D series as well here, and our SAE street legal lights. So I'm kind of interested to see how these infrared lights are going to do here at night. So here in a couple hours when it gets pitch black, we're going to take the thing out and drive it, and we're going to use an infrared headset and see how they work. I'm going to show you that headset here real quick. All right, so this is the infrared headset that we're going to be using, and the idea behind this is you put the infrared headset on and you can literally drive in the pitch dark where there's no visible light. You can have all your lights and headlights and everything off with the exception of these infrared D-series lights, and that is going to illuminate in a different spectrum of light that is not visible to the naked eye, a light that you can see just like daylight with a green tint to it with a set of infrared goggles. The cool factor is there, and these lights are available now, so I thought it would be cool to do a video on them. And let's check out how these things do at night. Real quick here before we get stopped where we can get in the pitch dark and take a look at our infrared stuff, let's go ahead and try first our driving side shooters. What a difference those things make. Wow, right? I'm going to shut those off now because I think there's probably traffic coming. No, not too bad. All right, now our next ones here, these are going to be our SAEs. So those are street legal, obviously not quite as bright as the side shooters, but those driving side shooters are going to be the brightest overall light you can get. And they also shoot that 90-degree light beam to the side. So that's pretty cool. We obviously want a completely dark place so we can try this thing out. So right now we've got just our headlights on, okay? So I am gonna turn off the headlights and you should see nothing, okay? So that is nothing. Now right now I am going to turn on, although our radio screen got bright, but right now I'm gonna turn on so these are our side shooters, so you can see how bright those are. These are our infrared lights. Now they're on right now. Now the funny thing is you can't see them right now because you're not looking through an infrared headset, but I happen to have one here, and I've just got to get this camera to aim through this headset here real quick so you can see, and I'm hoping that works out really well here, but we'll see. Kind of hard to get the lens up there, but so you're gonna have to bear with me because I don't really have an adapter for the camera here to be able to see it, but you get the idea. Again, bear with me there. All right, so now you can see the trees. A little blurry because again this lens is far away from there. You can see the tree and so on, but you can imagine if you're wearing this headset, normally you see nothing, it's black. You can literally drive blind in the dark and float invisible. So for those of you that are looking for like kind of the ultimate hunting gear, that's what you're going to get with this. See if I can switch sides if it's any better. Maybe a little bit. I think I can get a little closer. There we go. Where's the lens? Not too bad. So anyway, so again, yeah, you can see how that works. Now what I'm going to do real quick, get focused, I'm going to turn this off and see it goes black. You're just seeing the light from the headset itself. Back on. So again, that's invisible light. You can't see it without one of these headsets. And again, I'm sorry for the crudity here, but it's just really the only way that I've got to show you how that works. But how cool is that? So if you've got one of these headsets and you've got the infrared lights, you can literally drive blind, at least for everyone else, you can drive blind. And there's the trees we were seeing. Again, they were just blurry in the headset just because I've got a camera lens about 4 or 5 inches away from where your eyeballs would go. So you're not going to get a clear focus. But the point is, you know, you can wear one of those headsets, drive without any visible lights on and see just like it's daylight. Pretty cool feature. So again, that's just another option for you for your lights for your 2019 Raptor. All right, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to visit specialtyperformanceparts.com or spvparts.com for all the latest tech and aftermarket accessories for your Ford F-150, Raptor, Roush truck, and so on. And I think you're going to find something new there all the time that you may be missing, so it's important to check that out. We also have promotions from time to time and a discount club program. So as you spend money on different accessories, unlike most of your other sites out there, you're going to earn points and you're going to be able to get free gear and discounts on stuff all the time. So again, you owe it to yourself to check it out, spvparts.com. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.